Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making us a pizza. But I came up with this. I had a lot of leftover Cajun chicken, so I'm going to make a Cajun chicken Cowboy Candy pizza. It's going to be delicious, I'm telling you. So just hang in there and watch. Then you can drool. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got my pizza dough spread out. I'm going to cook this on the barbecue grill, by the way. At any rate, there we got some different cheeses back here I'm going to put on there. Here I've already chunked up my Cajun chicken. After I got some more left. Here I got some Alfredo sauce I'm going to use because I had it in the refrigerator. Might as well use it. And here is the said Cowboy Candy. And for a little kicker, we're going to throw on some bacon. Okay, so first things first, we're going to put our sauce on there. I added extra cheese to it. Make it nice and thickery. Yeah, this came to me. Because I had so much Cajun chicken I made the other day when I'm making my sauerkraut and chicken recipe that I made extra. And Emma's leaving today, so that's part of the reason I made it was to have so she could have some. But she's going home. The doctor said you can go. Yeah, zippity doo-dah. You're right. I heard you back there. But anyway, we're just gonna. I'll use it all. What the heck? I'm trying not to make it too soupy because I don't want the dough to be flimsy when we get done. Now my next thought process was, and still is, to put some of this Mexican 4 cheese blend down. And then we're going to put our chicken down. This is all pretty easy. It's, normal stuff making a pizza. But I figured, hey, let me try to use some of this chicken. And then we were sitting there, and I was like, oh, man, look at that Cowboy Candy we got in the refrigerator. So, what I do? I put them all together. Cleaning out the fridge. And I just chunked this chicken up any old way. I didn't do thin, thick, or otherwise. Just chunked it up. If I have anything left over, I'll just put it in a Ziploc bag and munch on it while I'm watching TV. Yeah. It's got a nice flavor, though. Yep. Just a little bit more here. Just fill in some of the gaps. That's enough of that, I think. So we're throwing some bacon here. Just to break up the flavor a little, All right. You hear that noise in the background? That's some little scurrying mice back there trying to get rid of Emma. Thanks, Dad. I know.
You're so sweet.
Okay, we'll put a little bit more of the Mexican cheese blend on there. That's so ordered by the significant other. She's got whip and poker and everything else here. So you got to follow along. Follow the bouncing ball. Okay, now we got the Cowboy Candy, aka the candy jalapeno. If you guys never had it, it's just simple syrup mixed with jalapenos, and I had those sitting back in the refrigerator, and I said, let me just try to get rid of some of those too. I'm trying to drizzle a little extra juice from these on there. Woohoo! This smells so good. This is going to give you a kick right in the pants, huh? All right. A couple little pieces here. Move that over, huh? Put this here. Put that there. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Look out, Mr. Bill. Oh. Oh. Okay. Notice my fingers are a little sticky right now. And then we're going to top this off with good old mozzarella cheese, huh? Excuse me. Whew. My wife likes the cheese right to the edge. Yeah. So we're going to see how this works out. This is looking good. All right, let me get my significant other, see if I need more cheese yet. Okay, all I'm doing now is waiting on the barbecue grill to finish heating up, and then we'll be out there with the pizza. Okay, and I just finished. I drizzled a little bit more simple syrup on there from the Cowboy Candy, and now I'm going to give this a little dash of my Cajun seasoning on top. Gives me another reason to shake some more out here. This is my own blend, so everybody likes it. All right, there you go. All right, give us a moment. We'll be back. Okay, so you can see my grill is right about 450, so we're going to plop this in, and we are going to keep a serious eye on this. I don't want to get carried away, all right? So, don't that look good? It's going to look even better here in a minute. All right. Center of the grill, lid closed, and we shall be back. As you can see, after about 8 minutes, 9 minutes, look how that baby looks. We might be taking it out. We have to check the crust on the bottom. Well, I guess you can say that was done. We're pretty quick on that. Anyway, guys, take a look at that pizza. It came out pretty good. Might could have waited a little bit more for the top here, but the bottom was really, the crust is nice. So we didn't want to burn it. So that's it. Okay, guys, there's the pizza. We're going to sit down and share it with you. Okay, the aroma is something else in here. The pizza, nice crust. Got a little char on the edges. Penny likes that. Now, that cheese is delicious. Get on with, give me a little hand here. Cheese. Okay. Wow. First bite. it's kind of hot. Not spicy hot, temperature hot. Boy. I think I should have let that puppy cool down a little more. Like Dave Portnoy, I'm going to burn my face off. Going to burn my face off. But the flavor, man. I get the little jalapeno in there. So you're going to take one now. Right? And the carrot's good. The flavor, the Cajun chicken, the Cowboy Candy, or bacon. Oh my gosh. That was over the top delicious. I don't know, I've never heard of one of these. It was just something that came to me while I was, I don't know if I was sleeping, watching something. I don't know what I was doing. But I said it to Penny and she said, go for it, sounds good. So I'm glad I did. And Emma, if you're watching this, you could have just waited 15 minutes. You could have took some home with you. But if you like Cowboy Candy, or candied jalapenos as it were, the chicken, the bacon, the cheese, everything. The Alfredo sauce is all coming into play. This turned out really, really delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. And the crust, So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, family, and whoever else you can think of. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. If you have, don't worry about it. When you do subscribe, little notification bell will pop up. You hit that. That'll notify you each and every time that we come up with another video. There's an arrow down right below the video box on the right-hand side. You hit that, a drop-down box will come down. That'll give you a link to the Cooking with Mrs. Dad Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and the complete list of ingredients and how we made this wonderful, wonderful pizza. So, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, stay out of COVID's way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We are out. You're out for now.